I'm Colin Fitzgerald with Arrowhead Camper Sales in Mayfield, Kentucky. We're going to look at a 2022 36 BHQ Sabre Cobalt fifth wheel. It's a 4-slide mid-bunk model. This is, for us, by far the most popular Sabre model. It's a classic mid-bunk. They do several things on it, I think, that make it a really good floor plan, especially for its price point. So we're going to take a look at it. This is going to be hopefully a 10 to 15 minute walkthrough video. We're not going to spend 45 minutes dissecting every appliance and how it works, but I want to show you kind of how the layout looks. Also, there will be a link in the description to this particular unit on our website, and there will be pictures there that my best friend puts up. So hopefully between the pictures and the video, it'll kind of help you get a better picture of how things look. So we're going to go in. We're going to go to the right, up to the bedroom and bathroom at the front. And you walk down the hall. Here's your master bedroom, excuse me. So bed slide in here in the bedroom. Windows on both sides of the bed. Decorative headboard. There's little tables at the head of the bed on both sides as well. You've got an outlet and USB port to the left. Another outlet right there. 2 airs, 1 air here. It's ducted on its own separate thermostat. The rear air's got its own thermostat as well, which I like. I don't want all my eggs in one basket, so to speak, with one thermostat. Sliding doors here at the front for the left side of the closet. And we'll show you some things about this closet that are pretty neat. This is recessed up into the front cap, so you've got more storage, up there with that shelving. Of course, a big rod going across for hanging, and then another shelf above. Now, you've got, if you want, notice over here to the right, this little door that opens. So this is kind of odd. They did this in 2021. At first I was confused, but it's a really good idea. If you want to put a combo washer dryer in, you could do that and have it face this direction, not have to be turned at a 90-degree angle and having to access it through the closet. Instead, you could operate it from the front here, like a front-loading machine. So you can do a combo unit on the right side here, or you could close this or leave it open, whatever, and put the washer on the right and then put the dryer on the left and have a split setup, which is obviously preferable for many reasons, dry time being the primary one. But if you want to do that, you can do that. So they did a good job there with that that cabinet door. Really good thinking ahead there on how to make that useful if you're going to do a combo unit. Window here at the foot of the bed. There's drawers here at the end of the bed as well. You've got a backer on the wall, and the TV hookups are there, so you can put your TV there if you want. And there's your door to close off your bedroom right there. Most people want to see around the sides of the bed the space. And there's pretty good space. This is a king bed, so I mean, you obviously you're going to have less space than a queen bed, but pretty good amount of space. At least for me, I can easily get in and out of there. So anyway, you're going to give up something if you get a king bed, and that's usually space next to the bed. Most people like the size of the bed. In the hallway, there's another window, just trying to add some light in here. This has what they call the zebra shades, one of those things that Sabre's been doing. You can basically do them as a true night shade or then like a day shade, whatever you want to do that way. So pretty neat feature there. Here's the master bath in the hallway. You've got your sink, some storage below, a little nook for a skinny trash can if you can do that and want to do that. You got a medicine cabinet with some backlighting, and it's actually a cabinet, so there's legitimately storage in there. A triple sliding door, glass shower doors. It's got shelving and a seat built into it. Big skylight. Sabre uses one of the bigger skylights we see. And nice linen closet. So 2 doors that open up, and then just an open-faced nook below that. And a toilet to the left right there. All right, so that is the bathroom. Going back down the hall, you can see to the right here, here's our bunk. A little ladder that kind of tucks away when you don't need it. And then the loft here, a little storage at the end of the bed down there is USB port and outlet, window, AC drop. That's important, otherwise it can get hot in a hurry up there. So a nice AC drop conveniently located there. And then we're going to go back down the steps. Here's where we came in right here. So at these steps, this is like the control center for the unit. You've got light switches, you've got your monitor panel, you've got your control panel here that allows you to run Some lighting. It's also got the leveling jacks. The main access panel for the leveling jacks is on here. You got a little mini pad outside as well. Slide rooms, just miscellaneous stuff on there. Your other air conditioner down here, the thermostat, that's on Celsius. It's not that cold in here. It's on Celsius. This is the voltmeter for, they call it the juice pack. You get a solar panel and battery on it, and then USB port, just for charging there. So a lot of your stuff's kind of located right here in the middle of the unit. This is a just really good coat closet. You can see it goes all the way down the floor. Had one customer turn this into a gun cabinet, so pretty cool little area right there. Conveniently located. Maybe you put shoes in there and stuff. And then here's the rear of the unit. So from here, it looks like a traditional rear living. Obviously, this is a mid-bunk. We've got a bunk room to look at, but a really nice living room and kitchen area. But when you turn back to the right, here's where your middle room is, that mid-bunk. So a sliding door to close that off. And you've got a trifold sofa in here. Huge window behind that. So it's very open feeling in here. And then you've got more storage. Obviously, you could put a TV in here, some drawers. This room, they are called mid-bunks, but really, we've had customers use this for an office, a sewing room for pets, a second living room, obviously a second bedroom or bunk room, but a lot of different things you can do with these. It's the reason why they're so popular overall, because you still get a traditional living room and kitchen setup. You're not having to sacrifice seating areas and things like that. So the kitchen itself, big island in the middle. I love the solid surface countertops they're using. That black stainless steel sink, black faucet to match that. It's a pull-out style faucet there. EverChill, all 12-volt refrigerator. So this is a little different. A lot of times, if you look at my other videos on these, they were using a high sensor hair refrigerator. Now we're using an EverChill. It's all 12-volt, which is really neat. So nice big refrigerator. Operates off 12-volt. There's your freezer below. To the left of that is our stove and oven, glass top stove cover on that. A little backsplash there at the back. Big microwave. And then there is, of course, storage built into the island there. Then nice pantry. One of the things they've always done with this floor plan that's really nice. Floor to ceiling storage here in our pantry. And now we're back to the living room area. So 2 seating areas back here, trifold at the back, theater seats directly in front of the TV, several windows. Sabre does a good job with this floor plan of having lots of windows that are very large. So it's extremely open feeling in here if you want to make it feel that way. Storage above the TV, fireplace below. At both sides of the sofa, you've got end tables with storage and USB ports and outlets. Accent lights on the wall. And then lighting above as well. This is looking from the rear of the unit toward the front. And in that big slide, you've also got table and chairs for the kitchen. Accent lighting in the island, as you can see, and then accent lighting around the crown molding at the top as well. All right, so that's the inside. We're going to go back outside, take a look there. So upon entry, you got Moride step above steps. They're quad steps instead of 3. Grab handle. Good size electric awning here with our outside speakers underneath that. And then as far as our storage and outside kitchen are concerned, you got just really, really wide outside storage compartment here. There's TV hookups there with a little access right there. You could run the cords up through it and have the TV sitting on a table out here. And then the outside kitchen, one of those things that just recently came about on the later models of 36BHQ, is this outside kitchen. So you've got the refrigerator, sink that's actually plumbed into a tank with hot and cold water. There's a little light in there. I didn't turn it on, but nice setup there. There's a quick connect right down there if you had like a little griddle or grill you're trying to hook up. I like the wheels on this. I think they're sharp, myself at least. Going around the back side. On the back, they are putting a receiver hitch. Maybe you want to take a storage rack with you or something like that, a bike carrier, you can do that. 50 amp service, of course, with 2 airs. 4-point electric auto level on this unit. And then 10-gallon dual gas electric water heater right there. Here's the other side of the storage. And the docking center here, I always like this. They do a good job. Easy to winterize with your 2 valves here to bypass the water heater and to get your pump pulling from this outside inlet for winterizing. Outside shower, black tank flush. Several different things there. Nice features. Got storage under the front as well. And then LED lights in the front cap for accent. So 2022 36 BHQ Sabre 5th wheel. It's a 4-slide mid-bunk unit. 2 airs, outside kitchen, big fridge. Of course, that mid-bunk room. Click the link in the description for more information, or call, text, or give us an email. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.